Hey everyone, Adam here with PublishDrive. Recently, we released an Amazon advertising tool that's built into our platform. Now in this video, I'm going to show you some updates and new features regarding advanced targeting options that you now have available to you. These updates are enhanced by our built-in AI tool. Now, I'm only showing you the new updates, but for a more in-depth look into how to actually create an advertising campaign, check out the other video we did on Amazon advertising. So let me show you the options that you have when it comes to customer targeting. Down here at the bottom, you can see that you still have access to automatic targeting, which is a great feature for those of you new to Amazon advertising. However, for you advanced users, you can now take advantage of the following. First, manual keyword targeting. Here, you can handpick the keywords that you want to target. It's very simple. Enter them in one at a time. Use the match type, select that one, and then hit Add Keyword. Now down at the bottom, you also have access to add negative keywords, which are basically keywords you want to exclude to prevent any kind of irrelevant traffic from driving up your costs. Now you also have access to product targeting. Now here, you could target specific books that are similar to yours to refine your campaign. So anytime someone searches for that particular book, your ad can appear. All you need to do is enter in the title of that person's book or choose their product identifier that Amazon assigns to it, which is called an ASIN number, which is found on their product page. Down at the bottom, you also have access to negative product targeting, which is simply products you want to exclude. So your ad will not be displayed when someone's searching or browsing for these books. And one other thing that we're really excited about to show you is this suggested tab here under product targeting. Here, our AI technology, Savant, it's PublishDrive's proprietary artificial intelligence program. Savant helps identify the most relevant products to target for optimal campaign performance. We're super excited about it. Now, this technology is exclusive to PublishDrive, so you can't even access it if you're creating campaigns directly through Amazon. This is something built into our platform alone. Here you can see that Savant will recommend different books to help you. You can choose to use them, simply click target, or you can not use them. It's up to you. Now, these updates will ultimately help indie authors refine their advertising strategy. It's going to help improve your campaign performance, and it's going to reduce costs related to those irrelevant ad clicks. So these are the new features on PublishDrive's built-in advertising tool. Go ahead and check it out at PublishDrive.com. Thanks, guys.